celebration. Join in a fun storytelling and sing-along, capturing the best of Frozen moments. For the safety of others during our presentation, we
forever, Elsa and I will be celebrating the Arendelle Festival! Yeah. The Royal Historians of
was a very good story you told, though the ending felt strange.
Yeah, made it out.
Well, Olaf did help out a lot.
Anna, you saved our entire kingdom. It was you who saved your sister and yourself.
An act of true love will thaw a frozen heart.
To my sister Elsa, I love you.
Oh, Queen Elsa! The citizens of Hollywoodland did a great job singing our anthem.
It's like they have the words right in front of us.
That's wonderful. You all make Arendelle very proud.
Please, come to the palace whenever you want. The gates are always open.
And they will never close again. Yes, thank you, Eric. And you, Aria.
Yes!
The Royal Historians of Arendelle.
We are happy to be a service, Eric.
I'm happy to be